Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Right now, our stock movers and their stocks earnings out. Forgot all about it. 3M, the Minnesota mining and manufacturing company, among others. Lisa Mateo, a podcast.
Yes, let's start there. Okay, so ticker MMM, their shares have been down as much as 5%. So the reason for it is its profit forecast missed estimates. So its shares are taking a hit. Despite the company gaining more than 20% in the last 12 months, they've been trying to revamp operations, right? They've been reviving their pipeline of new products, increasing efficiencies across its industrial base. For example, if you look at it, they're known for Post-it notes and things like that, roofing granules, electronic materials, but it's electrical business. It's been targeting clients in the data center space because of AI. And then they have nuclear facilities that are being positioned to help build new reactors because we've been hearing about power demand on the rise. Those actually helped 3M in 2025, but the outlook shows that that momentum is slowing. And so that's why its shares are taking a hit this morning. The next one, Paul, up your alley, Netflix, NFLX, their shares up more than 1%. It reports after the close, but it's the news that we've been talking about. It reached an amended all-cash agreement. All cash. That's what they want to do to change the Warner Brothers Discovery streaming business offer. So they're hoping it's going to speed up the sale, I'm guessing. $30 a share cash tender is what Paramount offered for all of Warner. They hope to call a special meeting with shareholders to approve the deal. If you look at a timeline, Netflix, they say stockholders should be able to vote on the transaction by April. But I'm sure this all will take a lot more time than
We'll
that.
see what Paramount comes back with. Are they going to up their offer? That's probably the next, if they do that.
Who's winning the battle right now? I mean, all weekend, Landman, the finale.
Yes, finale.
Oh, did you watch the finale?
I'm watching it on the train ride home today. So I've downloaded it.
So no spoilers.
No spoilers.
I got rave reviews about how they handled it.
Good, yeah, because the second season, quite frankly, has not been as good as the first.
Does that save the small, like a show like that, does it save them?
No, it's just one of many. Netflix has got a huge portfolio of programming, but it's nice to get it being a zeitgeist, and that's what matters.
No spoilers.
No
earmuffs.
Exactly.
Next,
my
what do
mom
you
would
got?
say. The last one, San Francisco-based biotech company is called Rapt Therapeutics. Shares are up as much as 65%. So basically, we got some deal-making news. UK drug company GSK, they're going to buy it in a deal valued at $2.2 billion. What does Rapt do? They develop treatments for patients with inflammatory, immunologic diseases. So GSK says the deal is going to give it these global rights to potential protection against food allergens, could require less dosing than current standard. But they're now focused. GSK is changing their focus. They want to double down on two key parts of the business. That's oncology medicines and also immunology, inflammatory drugs. So some deal-making news.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.